Hey everyone, I don't usually do these sort of things. I'm not a big TikTok user, but what I am good at is finance and understanding how to beat the banks. So I've got a couple of people that I've given this advice to, and everyone's been telling me that I should make it public, so here we go. With the interest rates rising in this country and with everyone going through financially hard times, I have some advice for you on how to beat the banks. In this country, and I mean this is a global problem, people don't understand finance, they don't understand how money works. Specifically in relation to interest rates, they don't understand how compound interest works. So I tell people this all the time. If you have mortgages, if you have loans, the best way to beat the banks is to stop playing their game. The reason why banks want you to pay mortgage rates monthly is because they rely on a thing called compound interest. Now, compound interest accrues over the course of that 30 days. You make a payment, say if your mortgage is $1,000, 70% of that is interest, 30% of that is on the capital of the loan. So essentially per month you're paying $700 in interest. Now, how do you beat them? Well, you need to stop the compound interest from accruing. So how do you do that? If you're paying $1,000 a month, pay an extra $30 and pay $1 per day to your bank. Because as I said earlier, compound interest goes up over the course of the month, and then it goes, when you make the payment, it goes bang, down 70%. If you make $1 payment per day, it goes up. First day you make a payment, it goes, oh shit, back down to zero. Make another payment the next day, $1, oh, it goes down to zero. If you do that for 30 days, the end of that 30 days, that mortgage payment that you make will be 100%, 100, on the capital that you have on that loan. You will pay a big fat zero in interest. Absolutely zero in interest. And you will end up cutting your mortgage from 25 years down to about 5. Now the trick with this, and it's another reason why the banks and all these people, they want you to be on fixed interest rates, because if you're on a fixed interest rate, you can't do this strategy. You can't do this because you're locked into a fixed interest rate. The only way that it works is if you do it on a variable rate, because obviously it drops the interest rate to zero. Well, day one, pay $1, zero. Day two, zero. Day three, zero, 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 and so on. Till you get to the end of that month when you pay your mortgage.